Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicate data in Google Sheets step by step. This is a useful feature when you're working with large data sets and want to quickly clean up repeated entries without deleting them manually. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets on your computer and open the spreadsheet that contains the duplicate data. Next, select the range of cells where you want to check for duplicates. If you want to check the entire sheet, simply select all the data in your spreadsheet. Once your data is selected, click on the Data menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Data Cleanup. Then click on Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will appear showing the selected data range. You'll also see a list of columns included in the duplicate check. If your data contains headers, make sure the Data Has Header Row option is checked. Next, choose the columns you want Google Sheets to examine for duplicate values. In most cases, you'll leave all columns selected. Once you're ready, click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will scan your selected data and automatically remove any duplicate rows. After the process is complete, a message will appear showing how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. Click OK to close the message. Take a moment to review your data and confirm that the duplicates have been removed correctly. This feature is a quick and efficient way to clean your spreadsheet and improve data accuracy. And that's it. You've successfully removed duplicate data in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tips and productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.